How you going, guys? Just got a video today for anyone that's having issues with the USB dash cams, particularly the single one, where you go into the app that comes with the unit. So obviously you go into File Manager and you see it shows up in here, and you download the app when you press FDVR and you install it and you get Ukam. And if you come into Ukam, as you can see, it is just black and there is no video feed coming through. All you have to do to fix this is just go into Settings on the app, scroll down to Debug Info, and where it says USB Protocol 1, just tap this and it will change to number 2. It'll close the app, and then when you reopen the app, it should just come up with the feed again. And I've restarted the unit a couple times after this and it did stay on, so it should be okay. If that doesn't work, another thing to check, just go into these settings again, scroll down until you see About App, tap this, check for a new version, and if there's a available version to update, and make sure in Wi-Fi as well. If there's an available version, just download that, and do the same with the About Dashcam, check new version, and I'm on the latest one. So just make sure both those are on the latest and set your USB protocol to number 2. Cheers, guys.